Okay, good day everyone. Next na pag-usapan natin is your kidney stones, okay? Or your nephrolithiasis. Pag sinabi nating lith, okay, that is stone, okay? That is stone. Nephro means your kidney. Okay? So, there is a stone formation, okay? Saan? Sa kidney ninyo. So, that's your kidney stones and nephrolithiasis. Now, ano yung mga modifiable risk factors natin, okay? So, pwedeng dehydration. Okay, bakit? Kapag nag-decrease ang fluid kasi sa katawan mo, pwedeng magkaroon ng concentration, okay? Concentration. Okay, concentration ng blood ninyo. Okay? So, concentration ng mga particles, especially yung ibang mga electrolytes natin like your calcium, okay, na pwedeng magkaroon ng stone formation because of what? Dehydration. Ano pa? Yung uric acid, okay? So, yan yung mga yon. Ano pa? Pag low fluid intake naman, syempre, yung concentration pa rin ng fluid sa katawan mo, 'di ba? Pag nag-decrease kasi yung concentration ng fluid ng katawan mo, pwedeng may mga mamuo-muo. Okay? And then high oxalate, sodium, proteins, sugar, and then it include also your obesity. And then some of your medications such as your loop diuretics. Loop diuretic can cause what? Can cause dehydration. Antacid can cause increase in calcium, okay? And then even high intake of calcium, they can cause they can cause kidney stones, okay? And then we also have your non-modifiable risk factors. Age natin, especially yung mga matatanda na natin kasi nagde-decrease na din yung function ng katawan, okay? And then men are prone to develop your nephrolithiasis. We also have your genetics and family history, okay? What happened is that kapag na-expose kasi sa modifiable and non-modifiable risk factor, yung isang pasyente natin nagkakaroon ng high concentrations of stone-forming substance, especially kapag may dehydration. 'Di ba? Low ang fluid intake, yung mga yan. So, the most common stones na nabubuo is your calcium. Okay, next is your uric acid. And then we also have your struvite. Struvite naman na stones, they are formed because of your infection. Okay, and then we have your cystine, wherein your cystine, rare lang naman siya nakikita. So, sa isa sa mga nursing interventions kapag may mga kidney stones is to strain all urines. Pag sinabi nating strain, sasalain yung urine na lalabas sa katawan kasi to check para ipadala sa laboratories kung ano yung klaseng stone yung nag-cause ng kidney stones ninyo. Now, nagkakaroon ng small crystal formation, okay, as molecules sticks together, okay? And then pwedeng magkaroon na ng crystal growth and then nagkaroon ng aggregation, okay? And then retention in the kidney, okay? So pag nagkaroon ng retention in the kidney, the stones adhere to your renal tubular cell or papillae, okay? Resisting, okay? Sorry for that. Resisting urinary flow, okay? So, pwede mag-cause yan ng obstruction, okay? Now, ano yung mga signs and symptoms na pwedeng makita sa pasyente natin with kidney stone, okay? Your flank pain, okay? Especially sa may costovertebral angle natin, okay? Pwede rin magkaroon ng renal colic. Pag sinabi nating renal colic, pag yan dumaan, kunwari, ito yung ureter mo from your kidney, ureter, ayan, yung kidney stone mo, okay? Colicky pain. Pag ito nagmo-move, etong stone dito, kasi etong ureter ninyo, meron pa rin yang contraction, may peristaltic movement pa rin yan. Dahil nagkaroon ng obstruction, kapag nagkakaroon ng peristaltic movement, ureter ninyo, gumagalaw din. Pero masakit yan, okay? Kaya may colicky pain, okay? Hematuria, pwede rin ba mag-cause ng hematuria? Yes, kasi yung mga stones dito, pwedeng gumasgas dito sa may loob ng kidney ninyo, which causes irritation that could eventually leakage ng inyong RBC, okay? Ano pa? Nausea and vomiting, dysuria or your dysuria, painful urination, the urgency, and urinary obstruction. And then, pwede rin magkaroon ng stone migration yan, lalong-lalo na papuntang ureter ninyo, causing your what? Ureterolithiasis. Okay, so ibig sabihin, pag napunta na dito sa ureter, okay, pag napunta na sa ureter, ang tawag na natin doon is your ureterolithiasis. Okay, so pwede rin ba magkaroon ng pain? Pwede rin ba magkaroon ng hematuria? Yes. Okay, so that is your what? That is your kidney stone formation.